Westermans here with the Bode HSWE elevating mandrel seam welder. Welding length is approximately 1800mm. It has a sub-arc head on it, but it's actually been used for MIG also. Machine comes with a Murex 500 MIG welder. Machine has a variable speed carriage. More details and photographs can be seen on westermans.com, and for other selection of seam welders that we carry in stock, both new and used. Actual diameter of this one is approximately 1 meter 300, 1300. Like I say, variable speed carriage, copper backing bar, individual fingers. Fingers obviously need to be reset. The machine itself can be sold either as is, or will be serviced to order, or even possibly refurbished if required. Thank you for looking. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com.